Yes, Shravan.
Hey, good morning, Tommy.
Hi there,
Hello.
Harshrav.
Hello, doing
How are
good.
you?
Hi, how are you?
Yes, I'm fine. What about
Nice.
you?
Hey, good.
Yeah, good.
Okay, so Sharav told me he's not going to join today, so that's fine. He's busy. Um, but how's everything going? How's work going?
So, for me, it's going good. So I have been working on the tactical parts with checkout page, working on the new functionalities, especially um, the buy more and save section, where we're gonna
Okay.
have some group products with some discounts. So I've been working on that, and I have a question like. Uh, how many group products are we gonna have for tactical first with?
That I don't know. I can't answer that. I have no idea.
That's not. I think Tom also can answer that because
Yeah.
these are not fixed yet. But why I'm asking because if these are static, suppose if we just have one bundle, then we can the work will be very easy for us if we can get the URL structure and add the URL on the as a button, and we can add the product, add those products manually on the checkout page, so our work will be easier. But if we have multiple bundle products and if we need to select those dynamically, then it would be a very tough job for us to do. But it's all right. I can do both, but I need to, get rid of the confusion that if it's static or dynamic.
Okay. Yeah, that I'm not sure of.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, yeah,
Go ahead.
yeah. So, if you discuss with Mr. Tom, that'll be there. Oh, he's here. Good morning.
Good morning, guys. I don't know.
Good
I had a feeling I
morning.
should join, and
Yeah,
perfect timing.
yeah. You're looking like round one.
Huh? Yeah, yeah, yeah.
uh, Tom is back now. Okay.
Discuss what with Tom.
Yes. So I was talking about the buy more and save functionality of the checkout, right?
Yep.
Like how many bundle products are we gonna have for tactical pursuit?
I don't know, two
Yeah.
or three.
Okay. So actually, bundle. Suppose we have three products in a one bundle, so it's a just a one bundle package, right? So if we just have one bundle package, then we can do the job, manually. Suppose we can add our pictures, prices, titles manually, and we can just work on the URL structure so that we can click and add all the products in add to cart. That'll be easy job for us. But if it's dynamic, suppose we have actually multiple group products, and based on users selection of the products in checkout, so the group products will be changing. So for that, it would be a tough show for us. Anyway, so my question was, uh, is that going to be dynamic or static?
I would. Eventually, it's going to be dynamic, but the business is only launching with a small handful of products. I'm not even sure if they have accessories yet. So, will it be hard to convert it from static to dynamic later?
It would not be. It will be time consuming, but not a hard job.
Okay, time consuming is in what, like 5-10 hours, something like that, to convert it to dynamic later on.
Yeah, 10 hours is fine.
All right, let's go. How much is it gonna, or how many hours do you think just to build it out static right now? Just a couple hours.
Yeah, around 5 to 6 hours.
All right, let's go. Have you already started?
Yeah, I already started.
Let's keep it static for now, so we can basically set the product group manually. keep it static, because I don't want to build it too much to the point where we've built more than the customer needs. Let's do static for now, and then later on, whatever, 5-10 hours when we go and make it dynamic. That's fine. I don't need it dynamic yet. So let's just finish what you're doing and build it static.
Okay. Thank you.
Cool. And then this will be easy to like kind of select in the back end and, select the products that are going to be grouped.
Actually, it would be kind of generatepress work, right? So we'll create some sections for the product from the generatepress builder. Our button will be dynamic.
Okay, yeah, just go with it. Build it static. Figure it out from there.
Okay. Thank you. That's
Yep.
it.
Okay, cool. At least that's answered for the time being, at least. Habib, I sent a bunch of things back to you, right? A bunch of designs, but I already see you're sending them back, right? So you're getting on it, you're fixing them, which is good.
Yeah.
But I would just say pay attention to little details like that, right? Like for the most part, these designs are really good, but then there's things like that where you have these symbols that aren't supposed to be there.
Yeah.
But yeah, you're doing a good job so far. I would just say that. Just pay attention to these little details.
Thank you. I'm trying to do my best, okay,
Yeah.
And
Okay.
actually I'm new, so I need some time to adjust with you.
Yeah. Yeah. Cool.
But I'll try my best for this company.
Okay. Do you have any experience with HubSpot by chance?
Sorry?
HubSpot? Do you have any experience with HubSpot?
No.
Okay. All right. Because that's going to bring me to the next thing. And this is, I guess, mainly for you, Shamanta.
Yeah.
We got the Main Street Design child service pages in, which, here, let me pull up it right now. 2 seconds. Okay, so these are the designs we got in. I'm gonna say let's go with the. I'm kind of the same. I feel the same time. I kind of like them both, but I like how they have a call to action here up top.
Yep.
Okay. So I would say let's go with the right design. Or we could use this one and put the call to actions below.
I like that idea. Let's do it.
Okay. All right. So Shamanta, you hear that? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna use this left design. But we want to take these buttons here, huh?
Actually, the left hero, right?
Yeah, the left hero, because you're right. I mean, it's just the whole page is different. Not the whole page, but you can see it's a little subtle differences. Not a lot different, but this left page we're gonna use. All right.
All right.
Left page, except we want these 2 buttons that are here to be underneath here, like they are here.
Understood.
Okay, and these are for the child service pages, right? So I am going to task it out, but there's a lot of these pages, right? A lot of these child service pages. So the point is, we're going to need to assemble a little team here. You kind of are our HubSpot guy, and you've been working on this website most. So I'm not sure if you know which developers are capable of doing it. If not, I'll just find somebody. But if you know any developers that could help you with this, then
okay. Do one thing. Create tasks for me, right? So I will change everything and take 1 or 2 developers with me.
Okay. All right. I think what I'm going to end up doing is like I'm going to assign it by category. Like I'll say creative child pages, and then web child pages, and then marketing child pages.
Sure.
Because otherwise, I would have to task out like 20 of these.
Yeah.
So I'll just do it like that.
And you know what? I think there's a good opportunity to show. I know we have a couple developers that you've already worked with on HubSpot. At the same time, Habib has been doing an awesome job. Seems to learn quick. I would like to see him as part of that team. he is so far one of the most consistent developers that we've brought on. So I think that'd be, pick someone else that has some experience with Shamanta, and then, let's get Habib on this as well. Learn something new.
All right.
Cool.
Okay. Yeah. So I would say it's about it, right? That's like majority of the new work that's coming in today. Other than that, there's small things, but yeah, I would say that's it. Tom, do you have anything else to add?
No. Let's I do want an update on Marnie's tickets. Where are we with that? I know it's gone back and forth between QA a couple times.
Yeah, it came back this morning for the blog template posts.
Yeah, are those done? We need to get this thing out the door.
Sure. Let me check.
Yeah, we gotta wrap this one up.
Check it right now. Okay, so it looks better. Okay. All right, I'm going to say the only question I have is Miss Habib, are these supposed to be the categories?
No. Yes, I'm seeing.
Okay, why are they all architecture? Is that something I need to change?
Yeah, the category gets set when you build the blog post.
Okay. Because I believe I set them the first time. So I wasn't sure if like they were just all coming back as architecture, but all right. Yeah, I could go through and change it.
Let's do this real quick. Log into the back end.
Sure.
Just figure this one. This is looking freaking awesome. I think it's the other one, WP engine powered.
I believe it's gonna bring me here anyway, right? If I come here.
Perfect. Cool. Open up your blogs. Posts.
Yep. So they have categories.
Architecture isn't even a fucking category.
Yeah, which is why I'm confused as well.
How is that pulling in?
Habib, do you know? Here, give me 2 seconds. Let me pull it back up again on the.
Because it looks like the feed is coming in. It's a blog feed, but I'm having a thought that tag, it's supposed to be a tag for the category. I think that tag is hard coded. So everything just says architecture, like the initial design did.
Yeah, Habib, how are you pulling this in? This architecture tag.
Is that hard coded?
All architecture here.
Yeah, but how are you getting this? Is this like dynamically coming in, or did you
Yes,
set
dynamic,
it to be?
dynamic, all are dynamic. You can say it to me to make it dynamic, and
Yeah, make it dynamic. That needs to be the best.
dynamic right now. But I
Habib,
need to double check if you have any confusion. And one thing, this is homepage, right? And I didn't do anything on homepage because maybe other developer do it. I haven't
Where's Sharav? Get Sharav. Why is he not in this meeting?
Yeah, I told you. He already messaged me and told me he wasn't coming.
Yeah,
Oh shit!
but I fixed the site padding for every section.
Okay.
I think Salam Bhai worked on this.
Yeah, maybe.
Okay. Where is there half of our team? Why is Salam not here? That's why we have these meetings.
That's a good point. Yeah, I can message him.
So if you have any problem in homepage, then I need to double check on it.
Yeah. Let me. I get you.
That's not going to be
If you share me
dynamic.
the problem, I'll fix, but I need to check carefully.
Yeah, let me see.
know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can find out who did the homepage.
Yeah.
This homepage isn't done yet either. This is not marked complete, correct? This is still in progress.
Yeah, I'm looking right. Yeah, it's still in progress.
Okay,
And
good.
it's Salam that's doing it, so maybe he's still working on it.
Gotcha. Okay, you know what? This is going to be a sidebar for Salam and Sharab because Sharab was working with Salam on the dynamic. What are these things? The dynamic carousels.
Okay.
So we'll go ahead and put this back with Shamanta or Sharab later.
Okay.
Fine. It's looking really good. I mean, I can see that they got a lot of this stuff in, which is nice. It's actually looking fucking awesome.
Okay. One thing I do see now. Hold on. And Tom, this is kind of a question for both, for you as well, right? So some of the posts that came in have FAQ, and some of them don't. Right? We have an FAQ section down here, but I know it's not dynamic because if I set it, right? If I set the FAQ, it's going to set it for all of them.
Mm-hmm.
So do we need the FAQ is my first question because we don't have them on like probably 50% of the posts.
No, so that should be a reusable block that if you have an FAQ, we can basically drag and drop FAQ in, and use it as needed. But if a blog post doesn't have FAQ, we don't need the FAQ section. So it doesn't necessarily need to be part of a template per se. But we do need it set up as a reusable block with generatepress that we can select that element, right? And I think Shamanta and Habib could probably talk about that a little more, but we would essentially want that as something we can decide to use when we want it or when we need it.
Okay.
Shamanta, that's a thing, right? Shamanta, Habib, like we can build out FAQ area and then select it when we want to add FAQs to that blog post.
Yeah.
And they'll change throughout the blog post, right? Like they're not going to be static on one FAQ.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, because go to your edit post. I want to see something. Because it would be an element, I believe. Correct, Shamanta? Would that be an element? What's going on here?
This is the title, but you don't see that, right? That's just how you have to put it in.
I mean, that's got to obviously.
That's here. That's this part.
That image is too small, I think. All right, there's still some work to do on this. This needs a deep QA.
Okay.
Probably a for a Monday meeting, and everybody needs to be in this call on Monday. Yeah, we're not far off. I mean, the general architecture is here, but there is a couple janky things going on that need to be fixed. And then go. Oh, its own container. Okay.
The FAQ is not in here. It's probably in the reusable page. It's probably not part of this template.
Scroll down.
Yeah, you're not going to see it.
Why?
Because I know you're not. Because I was going through, and I think it's part of this element. Yeah.
I think it's a template, right?
Oh, okay. Okay, so yeah, they're using FAQ hook. So basically, that hook needs to be converted to an element.
Yeah, exactly.
All right, let's go ahead and circle back on this one Monday. Tommy, if you find time, whether it's through the end of this call or Monday morning, let's just do a really big deep dive on this.
Okay.
I don't think it's far off. I think it's pretty close. Just gotta just round it out.
Yeah, I mean, while we're here, why not? I could try to explain this to Habib. I know that Sharav has done it before, right? He was able to put a title section on the side here. Because I think we were having this problem before with WordPress where we were putting in the title, and if it's too long, it doesn't go in 2 lines. It stays in 1.
You need to fix it.
So essentially you know what I'm talking about, Shamanta, where we had a title on the side that we could enter? It was like we had another element that we could, or another field that we could edit. I'm going to have to talk to Sharab about that. But yeah, essentially we don't want this to be looking like this, but it is what it is for now.
And why it's been happening, I don't know. But if I check from the backend, I can say that why it's because generally we don't see this kind of issue.
Yeah, this is new.
Yes.
One thing, the problem, the header problem, and the mean this is title. When I
Yeah.
started the work, then I see this thing, same thing. This was
Yeah.
same, but I worked because here already was the home page and something more. So I
Yeah.
didn't do anything on it. So I
Yeah.
work on my task only.
Yeah. Don't worry about it.
Very simple, Habib. Fix it, please. It's not supposed to look like this. I don't want us to sit here and talk about this for 10 more minutes.
Yeah,
Habib,
yeah.
fix it. Fix by
Yeah,
Monday,
yeah.
okay?
Okay. I'll check.
Awesome.
Friend. Okay.
Sure.
Simple.
Okay. Yeah. Other than that, I guess good work. It's looking better.
This is fucking looking great. And then maybe Shamant and Habib, maybe they just work together on the FAQ block, and convert that just more to a selectable, reusable block we can swap in and out when we need it, instead of having it coded directly into the theme. Because, like you said, not all blogs have it, but it's everywhere.
Yep.
Okay, cool. Other than that, looking good.
Yeah. It's good.
All right, guys.
Okay, so Tommy, I have a question about Heavenly Honey issue. Did you check my message on the inbox?
Yeah, I saw it. I just assigned it to Sharav because I believe Sharav has experience with this.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah. You have a lot of work that you just got, Shamant. So we're just going to give something like that. That's super technical. We're going to hand that off to Sharav, make it easy because he's our done.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah. And then what we're going to have him do is show you exactly what Sharav can show you what he does when he's done doing it. He can kind of teach you, but we don't have time to wait for you to figure it out.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah, he's now becoming expert on optimization and SEO. I would love to learn.
Yeah, he's been doing a lot of that. So we'll start getting you up to speed at some point too.
Yeah.
All right. Well, you got 7 minutes left, Tom. I'm going to get out of here.
Yeah. Okay.
See you guys. Have a great weekend. Great work, everyone.
Okay.
Have a great day. Have a great weekend. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.
Okay.
Yep. Bye bye. Yeah, we can leave too.
Yeah.
See you later. Avi.
Bye bye. Okay.